Today, I will talk about a very simple object which is called a table. Hello everyone, this is day 40 of my 60-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you uh, all about table. So, table is a very useful for us. In most of the rooms or house, there is a table which is used for many purposes. Like Uh, there is a table in my room. I used for I used my table for many purpose. Like sometimes I use my table for a study purpose. Sometimes I use for uh, putting the books and some stuffs. And sometimes I also use my table as a dining table. So uh, you can say that table is a multi-purpose object, and its uses depends on the users what they wants to use. Like if someone wants to use a table like a study, they can use table like a study table. And someone wants to eat with the help of sitting chair and table, then they can use like a dining table. Now comes to the part like a structure of table. How a table looks like. A table has a flat surface with four legs, and the table height is approx 2.3 feet approx, and the flat surface is 2 by 3, like 2 plus 3. So, and it is made from wood. wood. Sometimes it is made from like steel materials or something different materials also as you want. And the cost of table is also depends on the how better quality and how it is strong is. And my table is a very simple, uh, and sometimes I decorate my table for looking awesome. Someone uh, Sometimes I use my tables for uh, taking taking help of table so that I can reach at the higher higher position. Like if I want to touch the upper wall, then I can use my table for that. So that's all about table. And now the parts for the two words which I learned today. So the first word is surface. The meaning of surface is the top part of any object. Like for table, you can say that the surface of table is 2 cross 3 feet. Like the length is 3 feet and the breadth is 2 feet. And the second word is useful. Meaning of the useful is a thing which help us. So today I learned these two words. Thank you for watching me and see you guys in next video.